Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Trivago. First, open Trivago app on your phone. Once on the home screen, tap the search bar. Type the city or place you want to visit. After that, select or choose your check-in date and check-out date. Now Trivago shows you the list of hotels. Each hotel has price from different booking websites. This makes it easy to compare and choose the best deal. You can use filters at the top of the screen. You can filter price, hotel rating, distance, and amenities like Wi-Fi or breakfast. Tap on the hotel to see more details. Trivago will send you another website such as booking.com or Expedia to complete your booking. Finally, enter your details and finish the booking on the website. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.